Welcome to the Virtual High School. In this lesson, we are taking a look at some of the theory behind multiplication of positive and negative numbers. Now, when integers are multiplied, now the word integers mean it's a positive or a negative number or zero, but no fractions. Any positive or negative number, and including zero but no fractions, are called integers. When integers are multiplied, a positive integer is obtained when the two integers are of the same sign. Let's underline that. And a negative integer is obtained if the sign of the integers is different. The same principle applies to division of two integers. So if you look there, a plus times by a plus is a plus. A minus times by a minus, remember between two brackets we've got multiply, that will give us a plus. Then we have a minus times by a plus will give us a minus, and a plus times by a minus will give us a minus as well. And then we have the same for the division. We have a plus divided by a plus is a plus, a minus divided by a minus is a plus, a minus divided by a plus is a minus, and a plus divided by a minus is a minus. To summarize then, when more than two integers are being multiplied or divided, or then a combination of division and multiplication, the following rules apply. Now remember this: an odd number of negative integers will result in a final answer that is negative. In other words, if you have 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 number of negative integers being multiplied, so such as a minus times by minus times by minus, or for instance a minus times by a minus divided by a minus, there is an odd number of minuses, 1, 2, 3 or 5 or 7. Your answer is always going to be negative. And if you have an even number of negative integers, will result in a final answer that is positive. In other words, if you have, for instance, a minus times by a minus divided by a minus times by a minus, now suddenly you have 1, 2, 3, 4 minuses in one expression, combination of multiplication and division. You have ultimately got an answer that will be positive. Thank you for using the Virtual High School.